Only the best white oak and only the best cheap pine. The stops on there. So I should back out and cut it right about there. That looks good. We're going to cut it this long. Hey, 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 I like that. Ta-da! Shortboard. Like that. I'm just going to make a rabbit. Let's just make a rabbit. How do I want to do that though? If I make the rabbit for that. And how deep this rabbit is, I could probably come in and saw it like I would a tenon. This is a lot of fun. You to you, and then from you one little spot right there. Yes. Is that parallel with it? There. Here's where my hole needs to be. Look at that. It's pretty darn close. So let's see where it's rubbing. There. Not at all, but it'll work. We've got a stop for very, very thin. I can crank it up and do something a little taller. Just for I think I guessed wrong. And pop goes the weasel. Except for this one, I've got a bad bit. That's what I want.
Again.
One hole right there somewhere. Need one hole. 66. Okay. Something like that. Nice. So I got that. Then we got that. That. Nice and tight. I might have issue with that one. You can raise up this stop and put stuff on there, and I can plane it to shape. Put the stock in and do a few passes. Raise up the stop. So there you have it, a sticking board. This is one of those projects that I've been intending to make for years.
Every time I need to do some molding or a bit of sticking, or I'm working with a long, thin piece, I'm always thinking, man, I wish I had built a sticking board. Maybe I'll build it for the next project. And then the next project, I'll build it for the next. It's finally time to build this, and I am in love with it. This one allows me to change the fence so I can put it at different heights and different spacings. The stops on here are also fully adjustable, so I can have them all the way up or all the way down. I leave things wide open on here so there's space for junk to get in and out. This is just kind of a really fun design. I've been looking at all sorts of other ones, and this is the one that I have wanted to make that fits my style. If you'd like to see more detail on this, hop over to the second channel, Wood by Wright How To. On there, I actually cover it in far more detail, and I talk through the steps, why I'm doing what I'm doing, and I answer a lot of those questions. But if you do have other questions, throw those down in the comments down below. I will read through all of them, and I answer as many as I can. So if you do want to do that, great. Also, if you want to help out the channel, you can hit like, share, subscribe. Those things really do keep us going. And if you want to take it one step farther, all the people scrolling over here, they are patrons on Patreon, and they are quite the reason why we exist today. If you'd like to help out with that, there's a link to Patreon down below, or you can click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. We have special perks for members and patrons, things like behind the scenes recordings. When I'm actually making this, I just turn the camera on and go live. If you'd like to find out more about that, link's down below. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. So, best joke in the world, what is brown and sticky? Sticking board.